Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer product listings to WooCommerce from Shopify. Full guide step by step clearly. To transfer product listings from Shopify to WooCommerce, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Products section from the left sidebar. Select all the products you wish to export. Click on the Export button. Choose the format you want your products exported in, typically CSV. Download the CSV file to your computer. Next, log in to your WooCommerce admin panel. Locate the WooCommerce menu on the left side. Go to the Products section and select Import. You will now see the Product Import wizard. Click on Choose File and select the CSV file you just downloaded from Shopify. Click on the Continue button. WooCommerce will now analyze the file and show you a preview of the product data. Map the fields from Shopify to the appropriate WooCommerce categories. Ensure that all required fields, such as product name and price, are correctly matched. Once you are satisfied with the mapping, click on the Run the Importer button. Wait for the import process to complete, which may take a few moments. After the import finishes, review the products in your WooCommerce store. Check for any missing images or data and correct these as needed. You may want to adjust product categories, tags, and attributes to fit your store's structure. Finally, conduct an overall review of your WooCommerce product listings to ensure everything appears correctly. Your product listings have now been successfully transferred from Shopify to WooCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.